The State of Supremacy is the ultimate state versus state showdown in Dark War survival, where 8 states clash for dominance. Only teamwork, coordination, and raw power decide who is on top. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. Is your state ready for war? Don't worry. Even if your state can't win the whole event, you can still walk away with massive rewards, if you know what to do. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to make the most of this event. How it works, how to earn the best rewards, and how smart players can still come out ahead. Let's dive in. Overview. State of Supremacy is a state versus state event involving 8 different states competing weekly. It runs from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Friday is all about weekly progress. Saturday is the big day, a cross-state capital clash that determines who wins that week. Unlike the regular Sunday capital clash within your state, the Saturday clash is a cross-server. It is a much bigger fight involving more players. Winning the first week clash is essential, ensuring your state won't finish lower than 4th place. But the more you win, the stronger your future opponents become. Winning the first rank isn't easy. It takes a united server, active players, and high spenders working together. State rewards. Every state gets state ranking rewards based on its final ranking. Still, even if your state ranks last, you'll receive good rewards. Rank 1 earns 7,000 rubies, 1,200 orange skill books, and 40 million of each resource. The last rank still earns 2,000 rubies, 300 orange books, and 10 million of each resource. But that's not all. Winning the Saturday Capital Clash will grant everyone an extra reward pack with 8,000 honor points, 400 rubies, 1,000 wisdom medals, and 10 recruitment tickets. And if your state wins again the following week, these rewards will be doubled. Plus, the winning state can gather ruby mines that spawn near the capital. The losing state can't gather or attack them. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Personal rewards. 2 types of personal rewards are merit ranking rewards and 12 war chests. The top 100 players who score the most merit points by becoming the leader in the capital garrison or the most kills will get the merit ranking rewards. But let's be honest, they're primarily for big spenders with overwhelming forces. For average or free-to-play players, this is hard to achieve. But the 12 war chests are different. By earning 5.7 million war points through activities like killing enemy state units or attacking and defending the capital and turrets, you can unlock all 12 chests. These war chests include 32,000 honor points, 5,000 wisdom medals, 2,000 orange skill books, and more. This reward set is far more valuable than ranking rewards and easier to get if you're active during the event. So even if your state isn't winning, focus on maximizing your war chests every week. They're essential for your growth. Didn't get 5.7 million points before the capital was captured? No worries. You can still score points through truck battles. Find a place where others are doing truck battles. Station your truck and wait for others to attack. Both sides earn points. You can also teleport to the edge of the capital with a shield active. Stationing your truck on the ground won't deactivate your shield. Your truck can be attacked, but your shelter stays safe. This is a safe and efficient method for casual or free-to-play players to hit the 5.7 M target. Don't worry about the troops lost during the capital clash. We can revive 90% of them in the state hospital for free and instantly from Sunday to Monday. Weekly progress. Each state earns state points during the week to determine who the invader and the defender are in Saturday's capital clash. Points come from winning alliance duels, daily alliance duel rank 1, arena champion, looting enemy state trucks, tyrant comes top 200 damage, tyrant comes daily rank 1. Let's be real. These are mostly pay to win. For example, having a no spender become the top 1 in arena by defeating all high spenders? Anyway, the weekly progress doesn't impact the outcome of the Saturday capital clash. It only decides who's the invader and who's the defender. So, who is better? Honestly, it doesn't matter much. Winning the capital clash depends more on teamwork and strategy than on your role. However, we prefer being the defender because the capital clash happens in the home state. Leaders can place markers early, every member can see them without teleporting to the enemy state. It makes coordination and planning easier. High spenders, on the other hand, might prefer being the invader since they can teleport to the enemy state ahead of time and attack enemy shelters. So don't stress if your state loses the weekly progress, it's not the deciding factor. In our next video, we'll share the strategy to win the Saturday capital clash. If you're interested, comment SOS below. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.